Hey guys, I'm gonna try to do it quickly. Thinking Out Loud by Ed Sheeran, the way I like to play it. Typically would be played with a capo on the second. It does sound a lot better with the capo on the second. I'm just gonna play it open here. I don't have my capo right now. But I want to show you it's a fairly easy chord progression, and then it's got at the end of the chorus a quick kind of fun little playing a bunch of notes in a row. But anyway, start with a C chord, and then what I'm going to do is play the C and do a little string tap, and then play like a C7, which is just going to be the C chord with the ring finger removed. So C, then I'm going to drop down to an F, which is just going to be that same C shape, but the middle finger and the ring finger are going to be dropped down one string. So from that C7, and then I do that string tap again, and then I play a G. So I'm going C, tap, C7, without that pause. So C, tap, 7. And then I'm kind of strumming around on the C7 before the next chord change. So C, F, tap, G. C, tap, 7, F, tap, G. This is the majority of the song. You don't have to do that string tap. That's just something I don't know, it felt right when I played that song. But I mean, without that, it would still be. So, I mean, you don't need that at all. But the only time where you do a little minor, I guess in the bridge, where you change up the chord progression, where he goes, I'm thinking about how, and then from there, so you're going to play that off of an F, tap, G. So, I'm thinking about how. Then he comes to a D minor 7, which is basically going to be a D chord, but you're going to have to shape your fingers differently than a D chord because it's got the similar notes. But anyway, your high E string is going to be on the first fret where it would be on a second for the D chord. Other than that, the other two are the same. Your third fret is on your B string, and then your G string is on the second fret, same as it would be in a regular D, but you would shape your fingers where in a D, where that middle finger would be on the high E, and now the pointer is going to be on the high E. So that's your D minor. So I'm thinking about how, then he's to the D minor. People fall in love in mysterious ways. So that's a G to a C. So that D minor, people fall in love in mysterious ways. Right back to that D minor, but then he only comes to a G. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Back to the D. Me, I fall in love with you. G. G, C. Back to the D minor. And I just wanna tell you I am, to the G. So honey, now. Then we're right back to this. Take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under. Okay, so play through that, and then you get to the end, where we found. So that progression will change, right? So the we found love, right where you are, is all quick one strum things. So it's an A minor, we to a G, found to an. A lot of chord notes will go to an F here. I go to basically an A minor 7, which is the A minor minus the ring finger, or a C minus the ring finger. It's the same shape. So anyway, A minor, G, we found to that A7, love to the C, just drop that, right, then down to an F, where, G, C, we are. So that's A minor. So I'll play that whole thing through there. So it's okay. So A minor, we, G, found, love, that A minor 7, to C, right, F, where, G, C, we are, okay? And that's really it. Add those little taps and that quick little thing at the end, and you know, the little bridge has a different, I don't know, I enjoy playing this song a lot. So I think that covers everything as far as the little things you can do within just those chord changes to make it the song, I guess, a little snazzier. So thanks for watching.